Your property is connected to the main gas supply through pipes which are called service pipes. If we need to replace these pipes, we will need to disconnect your gas for a day so that we can complete the work safely. You will usually experience 1 but maybe 2 interruptions to your gas supply during the project. One of our team members will discuss any interruptions we may need to make to your supply with you. On the day of disconnection, we will need access to your property in the morning to turn off your gas safely. Our teams carry identification cards, so please check them before letting anyone inside. If we are replacing your service pipe, someone over 18 will need to be present as we may need to access your property several times. We will usually disconnect the gas in the morning and reconnect it at the end of the day. We will contact you closer to the time or post an appointment card to give you a date when your gas will be disconnected. Once all the pipes are replaced and the gas is flowing safely through them, a different team of specialist gas engineers will visit every property to turn the gas back on. They will also perform safety checks on your gas appliances to make sure everything is working safely again. We often work into the evening to reconnect everyone, but if you still have no gas by 8 p.m, please give us a call. Within 5 working days of restoring your gas, another specialist team will fill in any holes on your property with a 2-year guarantee.